Wishables release day.
Woohoo!
And it's cold outside.
And it's a small world after all.
There she is, the Wilderness Lodge, the holder of our Wishables. Hopefully. Dun, 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 dun. We are going to the Mercantile. Good job, Chris. Here they are. So we got here a few minutes after the store opened, and they only had 2 in stock, so we bought them. Snack time with a view. We're gonna open our Wishables in these large Aztec chairs. All right, look what it is, Parker. It's Wishable time. And their grandma's favorite. It's a small world. So we've got the cactus, the hippo that comes in 2 versions, the clock tower, and the penguin. So that's what you can get in this bag. This is the Disneyland hippo, and they also have the Disney World hippo in there. And then the opened end is the kangaroo, which I don't understand why they didn't make it like a child or something, but I'm excited. Wishable time. All right, what do you think that one is, first of all? They only had 2 in stock, so we're hoping they're different.
Oh, this is the cactus, I think.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. He's so cute. Look at his little hair. Oh my goodness. Am I supposed to fold that down? Oh my goodness. Yes. Look how cute. I love him. Strumming on the guitar. All right, let's see what the second one was. Who's that little guy in your stroller? Distracted. Look at that. All right, so I think that this is a hippo, which will be great because that means that we didn't get anything different. Oh, I don't know. I hope it's the Disney World hippo. It is. It's the Disney World hippo. Wink, wink. So it is not the one that comes on the bag. It is the one that is in our park here at Disney World. I'm so excited. Look, Parker. Wink, wink. Wink, 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 wink. Wink, 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 wink. He's so cute. You got the 2 green ones. And then, of course, the open-end one is the kangaroo and the little Joey inside of there.
Aww.
And he goes in and out of the pouch. And out. Ooh. Yeah. So cute. Oh. Ooh. 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 All right. 3 down, 2 to go.
Let's go.
We are off to the Contemporary.
I have one question for you.
What?
How many gators are in that lake?
Like 212. That's a big lake, actually. Never noticed it. There it is. We are hoping that the Contemporary will be our answer for the final 2. And maybe we'll get an extra hippo just in case. But I already got the Walt Disney World one, so I shouldn't be greedy. Here we are, Parker, the Contemporary. Come on, baby. Where are you going? Excuse me. Oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on, Munchkin. Here we go. Up the escalator. All right, time to check Fantasia gifts. Woo! I see the Wishables wall and I see the Small World. All right, Chris, this is more like it. You already have all those, babe. Oh, you're going to pay? You have that whole collection. All right, he's got his Wishable. He's going to pay. Now you got to pay over here, buddy. All right, boys. Parker's being a monkey. Come here. All right, let's open. All right, I think I got him. Feel that first. I think that's the. It's.
Should we see?
Oh. We're having difficulties keeping Parker in place to open them. What do you got?
Whoa.
That's huge. Look, Bubba. Whoa. That's humongous. Can I see this one? I think this is the penguin. It's the first one I took off the shelf. You want to open it with me? Ready? It is the penguin. We got all 5 with no doubles. Woo! Look at him. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta, choo. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. Ha! What is that? That's the monorail. He's got his Wishables packages. He does not care. We got them all, Parker, except the Disneyland one.
We find the Disneyland Hippo.
Uh-oh. Chris is motivated. So it's cool that we got the Small World Wishables here because that was painted with the inspiration of Mary Blair from the Small World. So that's really cool. So the only one we don't have is this one, which is the Disneyland Hippo. We're gonna try for another day, but not today because we got the whole set. I think looking at them, I'm still confused as to why that is the open-ended one. But my favorite has got to be the cactus, then the clock face, then the Disney World Hippo, then the Penguino. But the little Joey's cute and how he goes in. Chris, which is your favorite?
I like the winking hippo.
The winking hippo, #1 in Chris's book. Cute. Can't wait till next month. Bye. Good boy. And in they go to the ball pit. It's a small world after all. We have a lot of Wishables.
Lot more family.